everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Hotmail account. So if you also want to create Hotmail account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So creating an Hotmail account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of Hotmail. For that, simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in hotmail.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Microsoft Outlook. Formerly it was known as Hotmail, but now it is known as Outlook, so do not get confused. From here, you'll be able to create the Hotmail account. If you already have an account, you can click on the sign in option. After that, you'll be able to sign into your account. But if you want to create new accounts, simply click on the option create free account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be redirected to new page. From here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. All you have to do is enter the new email. Simply create a new email for yourself. Make sure to select @hotmail.com over here. Simply click on this option. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, outlook.com, hotmail.com. Simply click on the option hotmail.com. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Simply enter the password you would like to use with your account. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. If you want to check your password, check on the box show password. After that, you'll be able to check it. If you would like the information, tips and offers about the Microsoft products and services, make sure to check on this box. Now after entering the password, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your name. Simply enter your first name and last name over here. First of all, enter your first name. After that, what you have to do is enter your last name. Now after entering your name, simply click on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is select your birth date. First of all, what you have to do is select your country or region. Simply click on the field of country or region. After that, you'll be able to find several countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. After that, you'll also have to select the birth date. First of all, select the month. Click on the field of month. Select the month of your choice. Now select the day. Now simply enter the year. Now after providing your country or region and birth date, simply click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, your account will be created. So that is how you create Hotmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.